In this video, I'm going to show you how you can Instagram DM in 2021 on your iPhone or Android device. Alright, so you simply want to open the Instagram app on your phone and then you can slide to the right and then right there you'll see all of your messages. Now these messages are your Instagram DMs. So if you want to send a message, aka a DM to someone, what you can do is go to their profile. So let's say I want to send another DM to Cristiano. You can go to his profile or go to anyone's profile and then right there you'll see the message button, right there. You want to click on that and this is where you can send someone a message. So you can type, so you can say, hey, what's going on? All right, we'll just say, hey, doesn't matter anyway. So you can send a text message. You can also send a photo by clicking right there. And by doing so, you're going to take a brand new photo. So if I just take a photo just like that, I can then send it. So I can keep it in the chat. I can allow a replay. So it's going to disappear after viewing it twice, or you can do view once. Let's say I want to do keep in chat. Right there, I can send him an image in the chat itself. You can also send voice messages right there. And you can send images from your gallery by clicking here, or you can send stickers by clicking right there and then sending stickers or GIFs, right? But yeah, that's pretty much how you can use Instagram DMs in 2021. If this simple video helps you out, I would appreciate a like on the video. That's all I'm gonna ask for. Let me know if this works down below, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.